In the heart of the Ottoman Empire, amidst the opulence and grandeur of the 15th century, a masterpiece was taking shape. This was no ordinary artwork. It was an Ottoman miniature, a form of painting that mirrored the glory and intricacies of the empire itself. In the bustling city of Istanbul, a humble artisan named Ahmet resided. Known for his exceptional talent, Ahmet was a master of the miniature art form. His days were spent hunched over intricate designs, his hands guided by the delicate touch of a brush, creating worlds within the confines of a parchment. One day, a crisis struck. The Sultan, Suleiman the Magnificent, had commissioned a work of unprecedented scale and complexity. The miniature was to depict the conquest of the city of Baghdad, a historical event that would immortalize the Sultan's reign. The magnitude of the task was daunting, and Ahmet felt the weight of the Sultan's expectations on his shoulders. Seeking inspiration, Ahmet ventured into the city, traversing through bustling markets, grand mosques, and serene gardens. He observed the people, the architecture, and the daily life of Istanbul, seeking to capture the essence of the empire. His mind was a whirlwind of ideas, but the task ahead seemed insurmountable. One evening, as the sun set over the city, Ahmet found solace in the quiet corner of a garden. There, under the soft glow of the moonlight, he picked up his brush and began to paint. Hours turned into days, and days into weeks, as Ahmet poured his heart and soul into the miniature. As the miniature took shape, it was not just a depiction of the conquest of Baghdad, but a testament to the grandeur and beauty of the Ottoman Empire. The miniature was a symphony of colors, a dance of lines, and a celebration of life. It was a work of art that captured the imagination and stirred the soul. Upon completion, Ahmet presented the miniature to the Sultan. Suleiman was moved by the artistry and the depth of detail in the miniature. It was a masterpiece, a work that would be remembered for generations to come. The Sultan praised Ahmet, and the artisan was elevated to the status of a court artist, his work immortalized in the annals of history. The Ottoman miniature, born out of crisis and guided by the golden brush of Ahmet, stood as a testament to the artistic prowess and cultural richness of the Ottoman Empire. It was a work of art that transcended time, a legacy that continues to inspire artists to this day. The story of Ahmet and his miniature serves as a reminder of the power of art, the beauty of the human spirit, and the enduring legacy of the Ottoman Empire.